For recording. While the recording is starting, Catherine here will switch to her editing workspace so that it makes room to the editing workspace. And also, while it's being recorded, there are some business rules that are being applied automatically by the system, like generating a proxy or a few proxies, or sending this video, also copying it elsewhere. For example, here I'm automatically sending it to YouTube. You will see why, because of the integration with our CMS, and so on. So all of this is happening in the background while the recording is taking place. Now Catherine is going to drag and drop this video.
I could take this video that is still being recorded, I could drag and drop it into my trimmer, which is my shot selection tool. This is what is called one cut.
Yeah, this video is you guys, by the way, recorded by this camera. Just that you know.
One cut can be used standalone, or it can be used embedded inside of Galaxy. It has a lot more features than our media cutter. You can have multiple layers of video. You can have different, more enhanced audio and video effects. You can layer video. You can do fade in, fade out. We're just showing it very, very simply here on the news pod. In the back, there is a pod that is dedicated to one cut that is manned by somebody. So if you want to go more in depth in one cut, please feel free. Unfortunately, in 20 minutes.